Hey guys, I'm back. So sorry for the long break. I was just away for the summer and I don't know, I like kind of had like a lack of inspiration just because the new YouTube is like so different. New YouTube, I don't know, maybe I'll make a video on that, like how much like things have changed and stuff. That could be like really boring though because I would just be talking. But anyway, so for today's video I asked on Instagram like the little question thing. I love that for like video suggestions and everything, and this is really common. Like a lot of people comment this on my Instagram, just like how do you edit your photos and everything. But I love watching these videos just to see like what filters people use on Visco and all that, so I figured I'd make my own just because it's very requested. And just comment down below if there's anything you want to see me do. But I have my phone right here and I'm just going to screen record me editing like a basic picture. True, but anyways, I'm just going to be showing you all what apps I use and filters and all that, and like how to get special effects because I don't edit normally. Like I love putting like stickers normally, like every other girl doesn't do this, but I love putting like stickers and like little background pictures that are like superimposed. A lot of people don't do that. I have my phone right here and I'm just going to screen record it and move over to the side so y'all can see. So yeah, let's start this out. First, I love using Visco. I pull up my image in Visco and then I just go through all the filters. So I used to just like be clueless and use a different one every time, but now I kind of know which ones I like. So I like the ones with the numbers, like those are cute or whatever, like 8, that's pretty cute. I like the A's, like A5, A9's pretty cute. I don't usually use those though. The ones that I really love to use are C6. I really like how just saturated it is, but it still has that like orange vibe, you know, like C7 is cute, C8, Snapchat, but anyway. C4 is really cute, but like this picture just doesn't suit it, you know. So I also love to use the E's. I love E7, E8. E7's pretty cute, but I think for this picture I'm going to go with C6. And anyway, so I'll just go through here, and I love, like, I always just put the filter on before I edit anything just to see, you know, how it looks. So I love turning down the exposure. It makes you look very tan. Just seeing how bright my phone is. And then sometimes I'll boost up the contrast. I think it's good for this picture. Saturation is very saturated, so I may turn that down actually a little bit. White balance, I love playing with this. Usually I'll go more on the warmer tone, but I try not to look orange, so I'll put the tint down more green. Pro tip. And then skin tone, I don't know, it just depends. This looks a little bit too orange, but I kind of how pinky this is, so I'm gonna go with that. Grain, I don't usually mess around with grain, just because I hate how it like lowers the quality, because we're gonna be just screenshotting it anyway. I know I'm really ghetto, but we're just gonna screenshot that and then we're just gonna crop it. And save the photos. Okay, now that we're out of there, these are like all my apps and stuff that I use. So I have Facetune, Hugie, Lomograph, and Lomograph is basically just Hugie, but you can actually like import pictures. I don't usually use it. I just use Hugie for more just like Instagram stories and stuff like that. Like I don't post anything on Instagram from Hugie just because it's a little bit ratchet. Anyway, so after Visco, this is so boring, man. Now that we're in PixArt, I'll just do like add photo, and you just want to Google prints. Like I would do like snake print or like star pattern or something like that, and you just get your image from Google Images and then you just crop it to where it's just the photo. After that, you want to expand it to where it like fills up the picture. And for this one, I think I just want to do the bricks for snake print, just because like whatever, that'll look cooler. So I'm just going to do that, and then you're going to use the eraser tool, and you're just going, wait, hold on. Actually, you're going to dull it down a little bit to where it like doesn't look so solid and edited. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and it makes it easier also to like erase. And I'm gonna make the eraser less like harsh and just up the size because this doesn't really matter that much. It is so like light on there that if you make a mistake then it doesn't really matter. You just go in and add it back again. I don't want my body to look like I'm snake print, so okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to go in with the brush a little bit and brush it back kind of where it went away when we were erasing. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that and then save. And the picture is like okay quality, but I want to show you all what I would do if it wasn't. I'll just go into Facetune and then click retouch and then details, and I would just like, you know, do stuff like that, like just in random places. Super professional of me. I actually like kind of how it looks detailed a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't look so like low quality now. It looks pretty good. So you're going to save that. If I were to go into Instagram, this is what I do. And I love the Aiden filter. I think Slumber is pretty cute, not for this picture obviously, but I love Aiden. And I don't know what filter like all the celebrities use and everything, but it kind of looks like Aiden. And I was watching Amber Scholl's video and she uses Aiden a lot, but I would basically just dull it down a lot because it looks very edited. This whole picture looks super edited. I do not look like this in real life. But anyway, and then you just click next and upload your image. Now I'm going to show you guys how I would edit stickers and like stars on my picture. So basically I just go to camera roll and I'm going to click the one that doesn't have the snake print because like you don't want to do a bold background and then stickers. That's just a no. So I'm just going to go in here and search, and I'll search in stars. Another good one would be like hearts or something. So stars, and then my favorite one is the glow. So yeah, I would just do that all over the picture. Yeah, it's just like really simple. You can just place them however you want. Discard changes. If you don't have me on Snapchat, here's my Snapchat right now. It's just Summer Bailey, so that's nice. I'm actually like really sorry if that was boring, but a lot of people were interested, and I'll leave down below in the info box. My ear just came on, but I'll leave down below in the info box like filters that I use a lot, like E7, you know, C4, stuff like that, so it makes it a little bit easier for you guys instead of like going back and looking and everything like that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my video get out there to other people. Maybe I can one day afford Visco X. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below video suggestions once again. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one, which will be very soon. I'm feeling inspired for once. So yeah, love y'all. Bye.